Fashion Runway here at Robinson's General Trias. At 3 p.m., our show is about to start. For only 150 pesos registration, you may have a chance to enjoy our photo booth, face painting, and candy buffet. And also, a chance to meet and greet our Mini Princess Philippines International 2018.
This event may not be possible if there will be no head organizer. So, kilalanin muna natin ang ating head organizer for this event. Wonder.
Okay, so our event organizer is already an organizer way back 2008.
Wow,
So,
that is...
nagsulang siya ng saglit noong 2012 because she focused herself attending her family.
But, syempre, nitong nakaraan lang, nagbalik loob siya sa passion niya, which is the pag-organize ng mga ganitong event. Di ba, partner?
Yes, partner. Tamang-tama.
Dahil yun, sa isa sa kanyang mga anak ay sumali or nag-join sa ating Mini Princess, and hindi lang siya nag-join. She crowned as Mini Princess Philippines International 2018. Palakpakan naman natin yan. Kaya ngayon, so dahil na koronahan ng Mini Princess Philippines International 2018, ang kanyang anak, nagkaroon siya syempre ng fundraising event para lamang masuportahan ang nalalapit na pagdalo or pag-compete niya sa international event.
Kaya naman, nandito tayo ngayon. Maraming salamat sa napaka-supportive na parents for sending their daughters and sons here. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon. How about a big round of applause para sa mga parents na nandito?
Ayan. Thank you so much. And of course, para makilala natin kung sino nga ba ang event head organizer natin, to welcome us and have her opening remarks, let us call up on the stage ang babae sa likod ng isang matagumpay na fundraising runway na ito, our event head organizer, no other than Miss Yujin Flordeliz.
Sabi ko dito lang sila sa tabi ko, nininervyos ako. So thank you so much for a very wonderful introduction, Sir Donald and Ma'am Marie. So before I tell you more about myself and this event, so I would like to introduce our hosts. They were my co-teachers.
And syempre, kumpare.
And kumare, yes. So I taught at St. Joseph Academy in 2000, do you remember? 2014, so you know well, thank you. So 2014, so I was here in the Philippines, but before that, so I was an event organizer in 2010. So I started like in photo contest on Facebook. I had my online website, so kasi I really have this passion, okay? So I also really have these heart to little ones like these kids in front of me now. So yes, like sinabi ni Sir Donald and Ma'am Marie, the reason why I came out again after 4 years or 3 years, because I had my youngest, I have my twins, they are now 5 years old, so I have Andy, she has a twin brother, okay? So when I had them, so I lost my focus. Siyempre, focus ako sa family ko, then I forgot my passion. So I just focused on my family. And then just this year came when my daughter was picked or chosen to represent our country to Thailand in July. So it was, I know international pageants really expensive competition kasi ito nga lang gumagastos na tayo, di ba? I really salute the parents kung paano nila nasusuportahan, how supportive you are to your kids. So that is also me, okay? So I don't know how people look at me or how they think of me, but I believe that I am also a supportive parent, and I have 4 kids. I have have my children. So I really love children. I'm a teacher for 16 years. But I taught in the Philippines only last year, last 2014, like for a year. And then all my teaching career in Korea for 16 years. So I would like to congratulate all the parents and all the kids. Can you please give yourselves a round of applause, everyone? Okay, congratulations and thank you for having, for being part of us and for supporting the Mini Princess Philippines International. And of course, thank you so much to our sponsors. Okay, so thank you and have fun, everyone.
Ayan, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Yujin. Once again, how about a round of applause for our event organizer? Okay, so let's start our first segment. Let's have